Hello all and welcome to Kadak Cinema. Sequels are the newest trend in movie business. In the last few years, practically every movie industry in India witnessed at least a couple of sequels hitting the theaters. The idea is, with an already established set of characters and expectations, it is far easier to connect with the audience. So, a few sequels are also on the way, and here is a look of those most anticipated sequels of Indian films. KGF Chapter 2. After the Bahubali franchisee, another South Indian offering that made headlines across the nation is Sandalwood's KGF. The second part of the film is scheduled to hit theaters on October 23rd, and unquestionably, the expectations are sky high. Indian 2. Released in 1996, Indian is a Tamil movie that was directed by Shankar and had Kamal Haasan in the lead role. The flick was a massive success at box office then. The duo is coming together again, and we can be assured of fireworks once more. Dostana 2. Coming from Karan Johar camp, Dostana 2 stars Kartik Aaryan, Janvi Kapoor and newcomer Laksh Lalwani in lead roles. Considering the fresh pairing on the cards, the expectations are high around this movie. F3. As we all know, the super hit film F2 will soon have a sequel titled F3, and since long rumors have been afloat that the film will have another hero joining Venkatesh and Varun Tej. However, reports state that Anil Ravipudi has clarified on these rumors. F3 is obviously going to be a fun-driven film. In fact, the dose of entertainment will be doubled in the film. Kotigoppa 3. The Kotigoppa series is one of the rare franchises in Sandalwood. Kotigoppa 3 starring Sudeep is the third in the series with the actor essaying the dual personality Satya and Shiva again. Fandom has been abuzz with a character named Ghost for a while now. Which of the two personalities is being revealed is not known. Kaithi 2. An overnight drama that takes place in the hinterland of Tamil Nadu. Kaithi became a massive success for its solid story and enthralling screenplay. The makers of the movie had announced a sequel then, but the director Lokesh Kanagaraj is all set to sign to direct Rajinikanth soon. Kaithi 2 could take time to go on floors. Bajarangi 2. The return of Shivanna Harsha combination. This time, they will be working on a sequel to their blockbuster hit Bajarangi. The movie is almost ready and could be one of the first movies to hit theaters after the lockdown is completely lifted. Vada Chennai 2. Although Dhanush and Vetrimaran have been working together very often, the fans of Kollywood are waiting eagerly for the sequel of the movie Vada Chennai. The first part ended in an intriguing fashion and triggered a wave of curiosity among the fans. Bhool Bhulaiyaa 2. A remake of the film of same name. Bhool Bhulaiyaa will see Kartik Aaryan replace Akshay Kumar and Kiara Advani playing a crucial role. Although the first part was more of a horror movie, going by the first look posters, there is likely to be a comedic touch to the proceedings in the sequel. Galipata 2. A sequel of the hilarious Galipata, this movie could have toppled a few records had the scene been normal. Nevertheless, many are curious as to how Yogaraj Bhatt and team would replicate the emotions, comedy and flavor of the first part. Kartikeya 2. Actor Nikhil will next be seen in Kartikeya 2, a sequel to his 2014 super hit mystery thriller Kartikeya. The mystery thriller will pick up from where the first part ended and also trace some incidents dating back 5000 years. Buddhivanta 2. After the success of Buddhivanta, Upendra's character and his appearance in Buddhivanta 2 are very exclusive. Upendra will be playing dual role in this film with Sonali Montario and Meghana Raj as female leads. Posters of the movie says it will be something new and different that the Kannada audience have never experienced before. Go Goa Gone 2. The first zombie thriller made in India, Go Goa Gone, starring Saif Ali Khan, was a sleeper hit at box office. A few months ago, the team announced the sequel and said that Go Goa Gone 2 will release sometime next year. Love Mocktail 2. Love Mocktail did a fantastic job on Amazon Prime by drawing audience from across the country. The coming of age idea, relatable emotions, and an unforgettable climax impressed many. The sequel has been announced and the script puja was held a few days ago. Satyameva Jayate 2. A trademark John Abraham film. Satyameva Jayate did well courtesy the drama and engaging scenes between the hero and the villain. The makers have gone ahead and restarted shoot after lockdown, and hence this movie could arrive in front of us very soon. Sadak 2. A 90s blockbuster, Mahesh Bhatt is returning with the sequel of the movie Sadak. This time around, Alia Bhatt and Aditya Roy Kapoor have also joined the star cast. Sadak 2 will release directly on Disney Hotstar. Tagaru 2. There is a buzz that Tagaru 2 will come, but not anytime soon as both are lined up with their projects. There was always talks about a sequel to this cop vs gangster saga. Suri expresses interest in doing a sequel to Tagaru, where he wants to cast none other than Puneeth Rajkumar alongside Big Brother Shivrajkumar. If this really happens, the particular sequel to Tagaru will definitely evince a lot of interest among fans, especially those of Rajkumar family. So this is all about the exciting sequels all the Indian movie buffs are eagerly waiting for. Please do subscribe to our channel for all kind of latest movie updates. Thank you. Signing off, Manu.